In English, we have every day, one word, and every day, two words. They sound similar, but they have different meanings. Today, I'm going to make sure that you understand those meanings. Let's start by looking at the two-word every day. This is an adverb phrase that tells us how often something happens. It's the same as saying each day, or 365 days per year. You can put it at the beginning of an idea or at the end of an idea. Here are some examples. I walk my dog every day. Or, every day I walk my dog. Fabiola works hard every day. Or, every day Fabiola works hard. Dao eats a fried egg every day. Or, every day Dao eats a fried egg. So again, when you're trying to say that something happens very often, you use the two-word every day. Okay, now how about every day? One word. This word is an adjective, and adjectives describe nouns, so it always has to be with a noun. For example, everyday life, everyday clothes, everyday language, an everyday food, or an everyday person. But the meaning of everyday, one word, is different from the meaning of the two-word every day. Although it can mean daily, what I really want you to understand in this video is that it can also mean basic, simple, common, or normal. It means that something is not fancy, not special, not expensive, not difficult to find. It's something that you can see or use every day. So when we say everyday clothes, it doesn't really mean that you wear these clothes every day. It just means that they are simple. They are not clothes that you would wear to a special event. Actually, the clothes that I usually wear in my videos are everyday clothes, because usually I wear a t-shirt and jeans. Everyday language is normal language that you can use in your daily life. The language that I teach you is everyday language. I don't teach you academic writing or difficult technical terms. I teach you simple things that I think you will really use in your daily life. When we say an everyday food, it might mean that the food is eaten every day, but it can also mean that this is just a simple, basic food that is easy to find. Rice is an everyday food in many countries. When we say that someone is an everyday person, what we mean is that they are a normal person who lives a simple life, probably like you or me. They don't make millions of dollars, they don't drive an expensive car, they don't eat at fancy restaurants every day. Each day, they probably wake up, go to work, come home from work, have dinner with their family, go to sleep, do the same thing the next day. They don't do anything too expensive or too exciting. So remember, if you want to talk about how often someone does something, and you mean each day or 365 days per year, you need to use the two-word every day. If you are describing a noun and you want to say that it is basic, simple, common, you need to use the one word every day. That's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.